Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter, chapter 7, factors and multiples. In factors and multiples, there are some topics, multiples, least common multiples, factors of test of divisibility of numbers, highest common factor, prime numbers and composite numbers, prime factorization method of finding HCF and LCM. Okay. Today we are going to learn about some topics, multiples, least common multiples and factors. Are you ready for the class? Okay. All of you take your text, page number 129. 129. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Let us begin with some questions. First one is complete the following. Complete the following. Okay. First one. A. Counting twos, 2, 4, 6. Counting twos. 2, 4, 6. Next number. Next number is, okay, 8, then 10 and 12. Okay. Then counting fives. Okay. Second one is counting fives. Okay. 5. Next number is, okay, 10. Next, okay, 15. Then next number. Next number is 20, then 25, then 30. Write it. Okay. Next one, third one. See, counting tens. See, counting tens. Write it, counting tens. Write it, write in your textbook. Okay, did you finish? Okay. Counting tens. Okay, just say 10. Next number is 20. Next number. Next number. And next number is, okay, 60. Okay, good. 40, 50 and 60. Okay. Okay. Next one is, check the given division problems and write true or false. Okay. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. We get the answer 4. Okay. And remainder is 0. It is true or false? True or false? 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 4. 4 twos are 8. Okay. This is the correct one. True. Write 2. Write true. Then second one A. Then B. B and C. Write it. B. 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. True or false? 7 divided by 3. 2. Remainder is 0. This is correct. It is true? Okay, just check it. 7 divided by 3. How many times in 3? 2 times. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. Here 7 divided by 3. We get the answer 2 and remainder is 0. Is this true? No, it is false. Okay. Second one is incorrect and false. And third one. Third one is 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2 and remainder is 0. It is true? It is true. Okay, it is true. Okay, good. Okay. Our topic is multiples. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Multiples. Multiples. When we multiplied a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., its result is known as multiples. Okay. When we multiplied a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., its result is known as multiples. Okay. All of you listen here. All of you take your note and write the heading, factors and multiples. Chapter 7, factors and multiples. Okay. Did you write? Okay. Then write multiples. Multiples. Okay. Write it. Okay. When we multiplied a number by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Its result is known as multiples. Okay. Listen here. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 are called the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Listen. Multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 2. 2. 1 to 2. 2 to 4. Then 6. Next 3 4s are 8. Next 3 5s are 10. Okay, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is the first 10 multiples of 2. First 10 multiples of 2. Okay, 2, 1 to 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. This is the first 10 multiples of 2. This is the first 10 multiples of 2. Okay. Write it. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Write it. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5, 10 and 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 7, 14, 2 into 8, 16, 2 into 9, 18, 2 into 10, 20. Write it. Write it. All of you write in your note. Firstly, write factors and multiples, and our new topic is multiples. When we multiplied a number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, etc., its result is known as multiples. Okay. Then multiples of 2. First multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. How do we get the answer? 2 1s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay. Write it. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Next one. Next one is multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. In which numbers? Multiples of 3. You just say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, okay, 18, 21. Okay, good. 3, okay. Multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay. Write it. Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. In first 10 multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay. Write it. Write it. Okay. Did you finish? Okay. We can find any number of multiples of a number by multiplying it with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. and so on. The numbers 1, 2, 3 are called natural number. Natural numbers. What is natural number? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. This is the natural number. Okay. Then listen here. What is natural number? Write the heading. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay. Natural numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. This is the natural numbers. Okay. This is the natural numbers. Okay. Then our next topic. All of you listen here, write it. Okay, good. Our next topic, all of you take your text, page number 130. 130. Okay. Least common multiples. Least common multiples or LCM. LCM, least common multiples or LCM. Okay. Least common multiples. Least common multiples or LCM. LCM. Least and common, C and multiples M. Least common multiples. Okay. Least common multiples. I will explain with the help of some example. Listen here. How to find the LCM? Firstly, all of you listen here. Consider the two numbers 2 and 3. Consider numbers 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and 3. Find the LCM. Consider the number 2 and 3. How to find out the LCM 2 and 3? Okay. Firstly, all of you listen here. The first 10 multiples of 2. First 10 multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. First 10 multiples of 2. First 10 multiples or multiples of 2. Multiples of 2's are 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, okay, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Then multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are okay. What is the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay. Write it. Least common multiples, in bracket LCM, and question is 2 and 3. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Then multiples of 3 are 3 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Write it. Okay. Next one. Common multiples of 2 and 3. common multiples of 3 and common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay. Common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay. Here 6. We want to common multiples. Okay. ഈ 2-ൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസിലും 3-യുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് രണ്ടിലും ഉള്ള നമ്പർ 3-യുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസിലും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 3-യുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഒരുപോലെ വരുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സുകൾ നമ്മൾ റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുക ഫസ്റ്റ്ലി. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ഹിയർ 6 ആൻഡ് ഹിയർ 8. 8 is no. Then 10 is here not. 12. Okay, 12 is here. Round 12. Then here round 12 is here. Then 14 no, and 16. Then 18. 18. Okay, 18. 18 is here. Then round 18. Okay, there is no numbers. Okay, round 8. Round 8 these numbers. Okay, right? Okay. Then common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, then 12 and 18. 6, 12 and 18. Okay, then we want find out the LCM. We want find out the LCM, least common multiples, least number or smaller number. Least number means smaller number. Okay. Among these numbers, which number is a smaller number? 6 is the smaller number. Okay. LCM. Therefore, LCM is 6. Okay. LCM is 6. Okay. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is 6. Okay. I will explain one more time. Least common multiples. How to we find out the least common multiples? Okay, listen here. Question is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2-ൻ്റെയും 3-യുടെയും LCM find out ചെയ്യണം. Okay. How to find out? Firstly, we want to multiples of 2's. Okay. We write multiples of 2's are. Multiples of 2's are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Then we want to write multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay, then we write common multiples of 2 and 3. ഈ 2-ലും 3-ലും ഉള്ള കോമൺ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് അല്ലേ, 2-ലും ഉൾപ്പെടണം, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 3-ലും ഉണ്ടാവണം. രണ്ടിലും ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന കോമൺ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് എഴുതാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. കോമൺ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ഓഫ് 3, 6, 12 and 18. You write 6, 12 and 18. Common multiples is in 2 and 3, 6, 12 and 18. Then we want to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. We want to find out the LCM. That's least common multiples. Least means smaller number. Okay, all of you listen here. Among this number, which number is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest number. Okay. Answer is 6. LCM of 2 and 3. Answer is 6. Okay. Write it. Write in your note. Okay, finish? Okay, did you understand this? Okay, okay, another example. We want to another example. LCM of 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8. Find the LCM of LCM of 6 and 8. You just write LCM of 6 and 8. Then multiples of, how to solve this? How to solve? Firstly multiples of, firstly we want to multiples of 6. Right, multiples of 6 and 8. Right, multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are right. Okay, 6, 12, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. This is the multiples of 6. 6 table. Table of 6. 1, 6, 6, 2. 6, 1, 6. 6, 2 are 12. 6, 3 are 18. Okay. Then we want to multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 are, write it. Multiples of 8. Okay. Okay. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 40, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Okay. Okay. This is the multiples of 8. Okay, write it. Then our next step is, common multiples of 6 and 8. Common multiples of 6 and 8. 6ന്റെയും 8ന്റെയും കോമൺ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് അല്ലേ? ഈ രണ്ട് തന്നതിൽ 6ന്റെയും 8ന്റെയും കോമൺ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസിൽ രണ്ടിലും ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? ഓക്കെ, 6, 12 is here is no. Then 18 no. 24, yes, we find out 24. Then 30, 36, 42, yes, 48 and no. In which numbers? 24 and 48. 24 and 48. Among these numbers, which number is the least number? Smaller number. Smaller number is 20. Smaller number is 24. Okay. This is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. LCM of 6 and 8. 6 and 8 is 24. Okay. 24 is the LCM. Write it. Did you know? The LCM is always greater than or equal to the given numbers. നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സിനേക്കാളും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ടായിരിക്കും LCM. ഓക്കെ, നമ്പേഴ്സിനേക്കാളും കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും LCM. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്. Did you finish? Okay, right. Speed up. Okay. Then exercise 7.7. Sorry, exercise 7.1. In exercise 7.1, so many questions are there. I will explain some questions. Remains are your homework. Okay. Firstly, write the first multiples of. Firstly, write the first 5 multiples of the following. A. Exercise 7.1. Okay. 2's multiples. First 5 multiples. 2, 4, 2, 4, then 6, then 8 and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. First 5 multiples. Then B. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. This is the first 5 multiples of 5. Okay. Okay. Then second one. Write it. Okay. Then second one is circle the multiples of 4. Circle the multiples of 4. Here 16, 21, 24, 30, 32, 40, 48 and 72. Circle the multiples of 4. Circle. Okay. 16, 21, 24, 30, 32, 40, then 48, and 72. Okay, this is a number. Okay, circle the multiples of 2. Okay, 16, then 20, 24, then 32, 40, 72. Okay, circle. Then B. Circle the multiples of 9. Circle the multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. 12, 18, 27, 34, 38, 45, 54, and 56. Okay. Circle the multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. 18, then 27, okay, 45 and 54. Okay, 54. Circle 18, 27, 45 and 54. Circle. Okay. Okay, dear students, remains are your homework. Okay, then next one is factors. The next topic is factors. Okay, did you see this grid? Okay. In this grid, circle 24. Okay. Listen here. We can see 24 here. It is equal to 24 is equal to 24. Circle 24 is here. First, second one, third one, here and here. Okay. Listen. 24 is the number. 24 is the numbers. Okay. We want to find the factors of 24. Find the factors of 24. എങ്ങനെയാ 24 എന്ന നമ്പറിനെ കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് ഏതൊക്കെ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലാണ് 24 കിട്ടുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ, ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതാണ്. അപ്പം 24 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ കിട്ടുവാനായിട്ട് ഏതൊക്കെ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സുകൾ തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലാണ് 24 കിട്ടുക? ഓക്കെ, ആ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സാണ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, 2 into 12. 2 into 12, 24. All of you listen here. 2 into 12, 24. Then 12 into 2. 12 into 2, 24. 2 into 12 and 12 into 2, 24. Then 3 into 8. 3 into 8, 24. And 8 into 3. 8 into 3, 24. Then 4 into 6, 24. 4 6 are 24 and same that 6 into 4, 24. Okay. 2 into 12, 24. 12 into 2, 24. 3 8s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Okay. This is the factors. 2, 12, 2, 12, 12, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6. Okay. This is the factors. Okay. Here 1 is also factor. Consider number 24. Here factors are 2, 2, then 3, 4, 6 and 12. And 12. Okay. This is the factors. This is the factors of 12. Okay. Factors of 24. This is the factors of 24. Okay. Okay. Did you understand this? Factors means 2 into 24 equal to 2 into 12 equal to 24. Okay. ഈ 24 എന്ന നമ്പറിനെ കിട്ടാൻ ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് തമ്മിലാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത് അതിനെയാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ലിസൺ ഹിയർ. Here 24. 2 into 12 we get the answer 24. Circle the 24 here. Then here 3 into 8. 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. Okay. Then here circle the 24. Then 4. Here 4. 4 into in row 6. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. Then in 6. 6 into 4. 6 into 4. 24. Then next one 8. 8 into 3. 8 into 3. 24. Okay. Did you understand this? Okay. All of you take your rough note and write it. Write it. Okay. 1 and 24. 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 1 and 24 is the factors of 24. Okay. 1 ഉം 24 ഉം 24ന്റെ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആണ് അല്ലേ? 1 into 24. Okay. Right. Okay. Therefore, factors of 24 and factors of 24 are okay 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. Okay. 12 എന്ന നമ്പർ കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് തമ്മിലാണ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത് അതാണ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ? We get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. Okay. Write it. Did you finished? Okay. Consider another number. Number is 12. Number is 12. Okay. Consider the number 12. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. 2 into 6. 2 into 6. Then 6 into 2. 6 into 2. 6 into 2. Then next number. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 4 into 3. Then next. 1 into, okay, next. 1 into 12 or 12 into 1. Okay. This is the factors of 12. Okay, here 2, 6, 2, 6, 3, 4 and 12 and 1. Okay. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 is the factors of 12. 12 into factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Therefore, factors of 12. Factors of 12 are factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Write it. Write it. Right. Did you finish? I will explain one more time. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 6 2s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 1 12s are 12. 12 1s are 12 1 12. Sorry, 1 into 12 12. Okay. Factors of 12. Here 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 is the factors of 12. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 12 is the factors of 12. Okay. Did you understand this? Okay, good. Do you know 1 is the factor of every number? For example, 1 is the factor of 12. 1 എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫാക്ടറാണ് ഏത് 1. Okay. Okay. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. 5 and 10. Just find out. 5 and 10. You solve this problem, solve it. This is your test paper, okay. Okay. Multiples of. Did you finish? Right. Multiples of Isa. Then did you finish? Okay. Okay, good. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Then okay, common multiples. Common multiples, miss numbers. Okay, 10, 20, 30, here 30, here 40, 40, then here 50. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Then okay, then find the LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10. LCM means least common multiples. In among this number, which number is the least number? Okay, 10. Okay, 10 is the LCM. LCM of 5 and 6. Okay, how many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.